Welcome back to Magic Kitchen, our nutrition education demonstration for students. I'm your executive chef, Garrett Johnson, and today we are going over our Super Bites food of the month, beets. I'm going to make a beet salad for you guys. First, we're going to add our spring mix. Then we're going to add our onions, pinch of salt, dried parsley, pepper, of course our beets, apples, cheese, and our dressing. We're just going to mix this around. Make sure we get everything well incorporated and make a mess. All right. And there you have our Apple Beet Salad.